Alright, I'm going to attempt to install my short shift here. Video number 1. I'm just going to show you the standard throw. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And reverse. Right there. So now I'm going to pull this console out here and get going on the short shift. Here's the shorter shifter right here, so it'll be, get 2 inches shorter. And here's the blue thingies. I've never done this before, nor have I ever seen any videos or anything on any of it before, so this is just a see how it goes kind of video. So stay tuned for part 2. Check it out.